There's nothing quite like a warm, fluffy biscuit fresh from the oven, and the best part, you don't need to be a master baker to make them. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned pro, this super easy recipe will have you enjoying delicious biscuits in no time. Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel. Today we're making some delicious, budget-friendly biscuits. They're perfect for breakfast, snacks, or even dinner. And feel free to double the recipe for a bigger batch. I will copy the list of ingredients in the description box below. Let's get started. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit so it's hot and ready. Next, get out a large mixing bowl and combine 1 3/4 cups of flour, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Give it a good stir. Then pour in 1/3 of a cup of oil and 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix it well. And if it feels a bit dry, add a splash of more milk until the dough is just right, not too sticky and not too dry. Next, grease a cookie sheet or line it with parchment paper. My favorite trick? Roll out or press down the dough directly on the baking sheet for easy cleanup. Flatten the dough to about 3/4 to 1 inch thick. Use any cup or glass to cut out your biscuits. Gather any leftover dough, smash it together, and cut out more. Bake them in the oven for 12 to 16 minutes or until the bottoms are lightly browned. You can eat these biscuits in several different ways. Enjoy them just plain, with butter and honey, with peanut butter and jelly, as a breakfast sandwich with an egg and cheese, topped with sausage and gravy, or topped with cream tuna. These biscuits freeze beautifully, so feel free to make extra for later. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more budget-friendly recipes and tips.